Tú no. ¿Puedes abrirlo? No empieces con eso. Solo tienes que... Necesito herramientas.
Guys, this technique I find it useful whenever a client has long hair and they chop it off. Edwin, but how low do you cut it? Well, right now I'll bring it low to a point where I could see the direction his hair flow. If I wanted, I could have used the A-guard, but first I had to make sure his hair flow in the same direction. Guys, when doing this, do not rush it. Go around it as much as you can. Make sure everything is even. You don't got a time limit, nobody's timing you, so take your time with it. Now with my T-liner, I begin to do the tape up. I use the edges a lot. The edges help me a lot.
Yo, how you doing today?
Doing good, bro.
It's good?
I'm gonna shop it all, man.
You don't cry today?
Nah.
Alright. Too sharp.
El hermano está en esto. Debió crecer.
You know that back gotta be faded too, man. So we're gonna tape up the back too. Same thing I did on the sides, I'm doing in the back, man. Hey, yo, no Diddy. Oh my God, we're not even halfway done yet, and look how he looking, bro. My boy looking fire. Guys, right now I'm trying my best to take fully control of his hair, because his hair was used to being up, going back. Look at that, look at that, look. Pointing east, west, north, look at that, all over the place. But hold on, we gonna play that moves. I got a little technique going on, hold on. I made sure the moves is all over the place. And then comb it into that direction I want his hair to flow. Then apply the hot towel. You're welcome, bro. The hot towel is a must when you have long hair and you cut it. This will help you take somewhat control of your hair. Oh, and there you have it. My boy went from this.
Oh my God, is that Edwin too sharp?
To this.
Edwin, the fucking best. La cabra.